Hi guys! Kamusta? I'm Rain.
And I'm Daddy.
Yes, at sa lahat po ng aming supporters, pamilya, kaibigan, nanawagan po kami ngayon na sana'y tulungan niyo po kami sa aming task ngayon sa pamamagitan po ng pag-comment, like, at share nitong video.
Yes.
And please nakasalalay po ang aming journey dito dahil paramihan po ito ng like, share, and comments. Kaya please sa mga kaibigan ko, sa Team Karen dyan, please comment as much as you can.
Yes, sa mga sumusuporta po sa amin, thank you so much. And please support us again dahil po nakasalalay po dito ang aming journey. Yes po, kailangan po namin ng maraming hearts, comments, and shares as much as possible. Please.
Please. Thank you so much and God bless you guys. We love you.
Hala, seryoso? Seryoso? Hindi, grabe ito to. Grabe naman. 1, 2, 3, 4, 500. Grabe. Thank you so much.
Nakabili na ako yan. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells. Thank you so much po. Okay. Lotion namin na tawas ka naman siya. Sir, 50 po. Wow, 50 pesos. Thank you, Thank you po.
Archie, thank you so much, Archie.
Hello,
Thank you so much, Kuya. I love you very much. Pwede din po siya sa mukha kasi po serum siya. Gusto niyo po ba? Okay. Ayan. Kuya. Hala, thank you so much, Kuya. Merry Christmas. I love you, Kuya. Bless you. Thank you so much po. Merry Christmas po.
Thank you so much, Kuya Arvis. Patakan lang po namin kayo isang lotion.
Ayan po.
Yan po yung bagong lunch po namin. What is your name?
My name is Nadine. I'm from Bicol.
Oh, can I one shot for you?
Ayun,
selfie kasi.
It's my pleasure. Your breakfast with your family.
So ayun guys, tapos na po ang aming task. 3 PM na po. At sobrang pagod, sakit ng katawan, paa, lahat-lahat. Pero alam po namin worth it ang magiging result.
And hopefully, we're safe this eviction.
Let's pray for this. Thank you po. God bless to all
Heart,
po.
comment, and
Heart,
share,
comment and
everyone.
share please.
Support us.
I love you
Thank you
all.
so much.
Love you.